Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In the preview video, I showed you how to do some advanced 3D wrapping in Mesh Morpher Graph, and I intentionally skipped the landmarks for one side of our body, right? Uh, to fix this kind of problem, uh, this is how it looks. This is only on this side, but on the other side, it looks good because we placed landmarks, right? So how to fix this side, right? We have one solution. We can use mirror tool if we put here a sculpt mesh node, and let's connect it. And this is the original pin. It's a reroute node, and I'm gonna put this to original pin on our node, and I can do this. And now I can do some magic, right? Let's toggle the selection, and I just want to select the problematic area. It's up to you how much you select. The idea is to select the entire area, make a huge brush, and then progressively remove from the selection if you have to, right? And now it's pretty easy. What we want to do is bring this shape on the other side, right? So we can continue with our character creation. So I'm gonna just toggle selection off after I've made I made my selection, and I'm just gonna click mirror, and voila. Now we have the deformation on one side mirrored on the other, right? So let's clear the selection, and here we go. You can now do whatever you want to do. Mirroring is very powerful. And aside mirroring deltas, we can also mirror completely on the other side, and I'm gonna show you. This is the head, I think. Yes. So I'm just gonna bring here a sculpt mesh node so I can show you what I mean. And let's press F so it focuses our character, and let's just select the head shader, right? And I'm just gonna do some weird face deformation here, and I want to mirror this exact deformation on the other side, right? If I go to mirror tool, I can deselect only current deltas, and click on mirror, and now it's moved on the other side, right? The deformation is mirrored. If I want to have it on both sides, I just enable only current deltas, and now I have them on both sides, right? This is the mirror tool in Mesh Morpher Graph. It's very powerful. It's a lifesaver. And yeah, this is what I wanted to show. Just a quick info about the mirror tool. And yeah, see you around, guys. Bye.